Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the T-Mobile REVVL V for Metro by T-Mobile. So the T-Mobile REVVL V is now here at Metro. I don't know when they got released to Metro, but I recently saw it on Metro's website, and I figured I'd do a video about it. Yeah, this is the REVVL V. I did a video about the REVVL V Plus months ago. So this one's new to me. I think it recently got released, I think. I don't know why they would release the 5 Plus first. The REVVL V Plus first. I don't know why, but they did. So this is the REVVL V. And there's the front right there. Front and back, it has, triple cameras on the rear. All that good stuff. So the quick specs on the REVVL V, it has 6.52-inch HD plus display, 13 megapixel dual camera system. I thought it was triple camera, but it's not a dual camera system. I thought it was 3 cameras in the back. It's 2 cameras plus a camera flash in the rear. 4,000 mAh battery. The T-Mobile REVVL V is $119.99 for retail price. It's free when you guys switch to Metro and put your number over the Metro. Alright, so this is a budget smartphone, guys. This is T-Mobile's own smartphone, whatever. This is an exclusive to T-Mobile and Metro. So it's pretty cool there. So let's go ahead and take this phone out. So on the front there, you guys do have your teardrop notch for your front-facing camera. Power and BAM keys on the right side of the phone there. I do like the lock screen wallpaper there, pretty cool. Take it around to the right side there. Like I said, power button, that's the pink button. That's your power button, and you have your BAM keys above that. And it's kind of hard to tell where everything is. It's like a blackish, silverish color. Then on the back of the REVVL V is a dual camera setup. I thought it was triple cameras at first. That's what I thought it was, but it's actually 2 cameras on the back, 2 cameras, not 3. So that's pretty cool. You do get a 2 cameras on the rear plus a camera flash. One of them is probably a depth sensor or an ultra wide sensor or a macro sensor. I guess we'll find that here on the spec sheet. You do have your T-Mobile logo on the back. On the left side of the REVVL V, it's kind of hard to tell. Let's see if I can move it to a different angle. I don't know, I can't tell. Wait a minute. So I think your micro SD card and some card slot is on the left side of the phone there. On the top of the REVVL V is a noise cancellation microphone and a headphone jack, which is nice to see. Flip to the bottom now. Get your main microphone, Type-C charging port, and your speaker on the bottom of the REVVL V. Alright. So it says here, REVVL V offers a high-definition 6.52-inch display, long-lasting battery, and featured field 13 megapixel dual camera system, all paired with the convenience of facial and fingerprint unlock. So pretty cool. You do get facial recognition and fingerprint on here as well. Pretty cool. Not bad for a budget phone like this. So you do get a 6.52-inch HD IPS display, 4,000 mAh battery, 13 megapixel main camera plus a 2 megapixel camera on the rear. It's probably a depth sensor, I guess, plus a 5 megapixel front facing camera. Like I said, facial and fingerprint unlocked. I think you have an in-display fingerprint sensor. maybe, I have no idea. And you'll have 32 gigabytes of internal memory. And like I said, the REVVL 5 is $119.99 for retail price, or it's free when you guys switch to Metro and put your number over the Metro. You guys must put your number over the Metro from a non-T-Mobile carrier like Verizon, AT&T. So do keep that in mind. So not bad for a free phone there. And I don't know why I don't give us more details about the phone. It's kind of stupid, but but the specs on here, like I said, this is a budget phone, so don't really expect a whole lot. 32 gigabytes of internal memory, up to 512 gigabytes. Okay, what the hell? That's a typo. They need to fix that, cause it's not 512 gigabytes of memory. It might be that might be the external storage, but that's not the internal storage. You probably get around 20 gigabytes available to the user. That'd be awesome if it was 512 gigabytes of available memory. That'd be sweet. But for $120, you do get what you pay for here. So hopefully they'll fix that, so people are not confused. 6.52 inch HD plus IPS display, so it is a 720p display, so it should look pretty decent. Like I said, you do get dual rear cameras in the back at 13 megapixel and the 2 megapixel main rear camera, 5 megapixel front facing camera. The 2 megapixel camera is probably a depth sensor. I don't know. It doesn't tell you what it is. You get 2 terabytes of external memory via micro SD. Mobile hotspot up to 22 hours of talk time. Android 11, which is nice. A MediaTek Helio G25 octa-core 2 GHz processor. The REVVL 5 weighs 6.45 ounces, and there's your internet compatibility is there. And there's some accessories there for your phone if you guys want to get earbuds and whatnot. Y'all guys can go to Amazon and get the stuff for the REVVL 5 if you guys want to. So, do you guys get the REVVL 5? It's not here at Metro by T-Mobile. It's available now for $119.99 for retail price, or it's free when you guys port to Metro. So, not bad for a free phone like this. It's a pretty decent phone. Looks very nice. The specs on it are decent. This is a budget phone, so do keep it in mind. I don't think this has 5G on it, but I could be wrong. It doesn't mention anything about 5G. It doesn't mention nothing about 5G on this one. The REVVL 5 Plus does have 5G on it, so I don't know why T-Mobile decided to release the 5 Plus first. I don't know why they decided that, but they did. And the REVVL 5 is now here. I don't know why they wouldn't go. I don't know why they would release this phone first, and then the REVVL 5 Plus with 5G later on. I don't know why they did it kind of reversed. And I just recently saw this on Metro's website, so I figured I'd do a video on it here. So yeah, it's kind of interesting that they went from the REVVL 4 to the REVVL 5 Plus. It's kind of interesting, but you know, this one does not mention anything about 5G on it, which I don't think it has 5G on it. I don't think so, but I could be wrong, and I can't tell what. I don't know if I doubt it has 5G. I doubt it. It doesn't mention don't mention nothing about 5G though, so who knows? Yeah, guys, there you guys have the T-Mobile REVVL 5 is now available at Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.